Hey guys, I've been asked to do more guitar tutorials, and I don't necessarily have time to do a lot of them, but here's something that's kind of been on my mind. Recently somebody put on Facebook a post about how rhythm guitar is a dying art, and I don't necessarily believe that's true. If you turn on the radio, you hear rhythm guitar all over. You know what, let me adjust this a little bit. It's really hard to get the camera. I think that's as good as it's gonna get. Let's start over. Hey guys, as much requested, here's another guitar tutorial. So recently a friend of mine put a post on Facebook that rhythm guitar is a dying art. I don't believe that to be true. If you turn on the radio, almost every top 40 pop R&B hit that you hear has rhythm guitar. And even a lot of hip-hop tracks have rhythm guitar. But I do think it is not being taught, it is not being learned. It's probably one of the least glamorous things you can play as a musician. If you want to play guitar, people usually want to shred. And guitar is not really the glamorous instrument to play either. So we're just going to go over some basics of rhythm guitar. This video is for someone who doesn't know how to play rhythm guitar, and they're learning, we're going to start over.